piece of garbage. About to go out for a little private session with the homies. I'm gonna try and hit up a new spot today. It's kind of close to our regular spot, so we'll see how this goes. But it's nice having the boys out again. Kind of just to update you on everybody's cars too. Seth just got his car fixed from eating a curve. So new intercooler, no fenders, no bumper. Justin just got his car back from the body shop. A whole bunch of new stuff with that. Our Evo 5, something to do with transmission stuff. He's new, breaking stuff in. Same thing with Jordan. Jordan is breaking in the clutch and the flywheel. It's a snack of choice, bud. Fuck us. Snack pack secured. Now it's time to move to our first spot. Let's see how things go. Just got out here for the first sesh. That's Slethy Boyson. First couple skids. I already took a couple upboards, but that's for Instagram, so take some YouTube video angles.
Yeah. My chain, my watch, my wrist, my motherfucker house, my ride, grind. I give away all this shit just to see my dog just one more time. Look up at the lights one time. We just gave on the mic one time. Roll one, get right one time. Two cups. You remember them MCM backpack? We were running them, ramming them racks. No walk, they ain't never told walk. They pull up, drinking that act. Came in, sweat the game like a storm with the motherfucking flow. Nigga, take that. So don't ask about the group, he gone, we gone, young nigga, it can't come back. I'ma make sure mama straight, especially mama take. I can't kick it with a fake, and I won't sleep with the snakes. I'd rather eat with the grapes. I wanted peace, but I can't. I gotta get some straight. Hold on, wait.
I be getting anxiety like a motherfucker filming this shit, dude. God damn. Ooh, they be coming close up to me, and I be watching it through the lens, and then sometimes I don't realize how close they actually get, and it's like, ah. They doing good. They doing good. They be scaring me too when they come close to each other, feeling like they finna crash or something. Boys trying to figure out some kind of game plan.
That's dangerous. I had to go read the Bible and take a few pages. Hunt your influence, little nigga. Now I turn the pages. Never forget that the Migos amazing. Look at the ice in the night of my pants. You know that them young niggas made it. I got this shit out the mud and cut a little buzz and keeps it changed. Faces, all kind of faces. We all God's babies. We all built with greatness. We all came in danger. We bound to fall against the odds. We get up and go crazy, and we face it. Come on, whatever type we face. The time it takes to get it, the time it takes to make it, the time it takes to lose it, the time it takes to take it, the time it takes to win. This time you made the greatest. Yeah, you made the greatest time of your life. Right now it's greatness. You picked the perfect time in the world is right now. That time is greatness. I don't care how long it takes. I don't care what storm you've been through. It's greatness. It's how legends is born. been on my mind. All these occasions, let's work it out with me. I don't think it hurts to give another try on it. Ain't nobody here know you like I do. Ask all your friends if they know about your size of shoes. How you like to cry when you laugh, when you off the blues. I moved on but I still remember a thing or two. I know you said give me a hug, I said give me a break. I was trying my best, all the mistakes that I made. I'm learning that it ain't no right here. Learn from my mistakes, ain't that what the adults do? We got history, got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could've happened.
Boys are getting spicy with it. That shit, I gotta take a little cool down break, but not too bad.
Finally your face, I know it, that is sight to see. Take my time to take your clothes off one more time, maybe. Acting like you don't recall it, ain't impressing me. Didn't come to see your friends, I know you came from me. Like your dress, but you fit better in my wrinkled tee. We moved on to newer things, but we got history. Bet you got nobody around to make your day better. Sound right. Don't got too much time, so girl, let's fun. Now we'll talk later. Put your blood aside and let me in. You know I got better sins. You so good at self-control, but baby, now it's time for change. I've been alone for so long. Got the one, didn't realize good was exist in the world till I lost one. Eye for an eye makes the whole world go blind. Things I would give to feel your lips for the last time. Go and hang with your friends. I put this bullshit to end. Now we love the parade and I just wish you the best. I think it's time for me to bounce. I just wish I had someone to say I'm home to. We got history, got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what we
Driving right-hand drive, by the way.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Come on, sir.
Hey, yo, Seth. The turbo spools really slowly. And you max out. You max out like 3K.
That's not what.
No, the rev limiter. You've got no revs.
thinking about what could've happened or what could've been. Finally your face, I know it, that is sad to see. Take my time to take your clothes off one more time, maybe. Acting like you don't recall it, ain't impressing me. Didn't come to see your friends, I know you came from me. Like your dress, but you fit better in my wrinkled tee. We moved on to newer things, but we got history.
Much better. Pretty good sesh so far. Just got done driving Seth's car a little bit. That shit was dope. So it's about to go out for another rip.
Damn, Ty, you made this bitch too? What gun into you?
Walk, 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 walk. Spin, 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 spin. Step in this slide, run down on up. I got niggas hiding from their own damn block. Walk, 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 walk. Spin, 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 spin. Walking and sliding and stepping and spinning and standing on bitches and standing on business. Walk, 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 walk. Walking on beats, got the yo on my feet. Javinci my freak, so the yo on my meat. Spin you with dances, you reppin' your feet. Steppin' for me, so you steppin' for free. Walk, 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 walk. Spin, 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 spin.
The boys about trying to hit a full tandem entry together on this corner. Hopefully this will work out nice. We'll see.
Let me see you walk, let me see you walk, let me see you walk, let me see you walk. Let me see when you still. Show the people how you still. Let me see how you walk, let me see how you slide, let me see how you walk. Like you ain't got no ride, let me see how you walk. Now lean with it, walk, car lean with it, walk. On the scene with it, walk. SG business.
slime with my nigga, we gon' slide. I'ma slide, you gon' slide, and we slime with that iron. Nigga slide where you gun, nigga, everybody rhyme. When we slime where you from, nigga, we don't need mine. It's the vibe, nigga, Palm Beach, they ain't kinda broad. It's the vibe, niggas. Everybody go, step slide. Everybody let me see when you walk, 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 let me see when you step. Show the people how you step. Walking and sliding, and stepping and spinning, and standing on bitches and standing on business. Walk. Walking on feet, got the yo on my feet. Javinci my freak, so these hoes on my meat. Spin you a band since you reppin' your feet. Stepping for me, so you stepping for free. Walk. Spin. Stepping and slide, run down on off. I got niggas hiding from their own damn block. Walk. Spin.
Can't hold back, holding on for a minute. Oh, running in the game.
In the same household. For years we were close, throwing football in the yard till the lights turned on inside the lamppost. Years go by, something changed when you got to junior high and started hanging with them guys. Suddenly I meant nothing to you. You wanted nothing to do with me. Growing, doesn't include any room for your little brother. I was destroyed, but I still loved you. I still wanted your approval. If I could get it, I'd cherish it. Embarrassing me any chance you got, but I didn't care because maybe if I was tough enough to take it, you would love me. Instead of looking at me like I'm disgusting, like I'm nothing, like I'm not the person that you grew up with. I wanna reminisce and ask you if you miss those days, but I'm terrified of broaching the subject. I'm terrified to hear your answer, so I just don't touch it. I don't say nothing.
Running in the days, different face. Oh, but the